We have some big breaking coming in. Kamal Haasan now slams the Tamil Nadu government, the Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy, over his free vaccination promise. Kamal Haasan says evil promise by the government to announce free vaccine, which is non-existent. Kamal Haasan to EPS, he says, and I quote, "You are used to playing with people's poverty." Here's Kamal Haasan, remember, who's also formed his own political party. He's going to be contesting the upcoming elections himself. Tamil Nadu has announced free vaccination right on the heels of what the NDA alliance announced in Bihar. Right after, Tamil Nadu took after and announced free vaccination. And now Kamal Haasan slams Edappadi Palaniswamy for his move. Akshaya now joining us for more. Akshaya, Kamal Haasan slamming EPS over free vaccination, saying that the Tamil Nadu government, EPS, knows very well how to play with people's poverty. He's angry and he hits out saying that this is a fundamental right of people. You're using their poverty to lure them.
Well, Nabila, it's not just for the state government that Kamal Haasan has said this. Kamal Haasan has generalized it as a statement for every neta who's making a promise using free vaccination. He's going on to say that, you know, people, the politicians and the current political scenario is such that people have been playing with the poverty of the public and trying to appease them using freebies and using vaccination. That to COVID vaccine as an agenda promise is not something that can be accepted. And he says that people will retaliate during the time of elections. They will decide on whether choosing you or not. So, you know, Kamal Haasan is once again lashing out at the EPS government and all other netas who are making promises about a vaccine which is yet to be found. And we had also seen earlier DMK chief M.K. Stalin had also hit out at EPS government saying that there is no big announcement here. Every government's responsibility it is to provide vaccination during a time of pandemic and ensure the safety of the people of the country. So, you know, this is getting into a major political debate. We had seen that Edappadi K. Palaniswamy had made this massive announcement in Pudukkottai while inaugurating ITC group of buildings and also a Jallikattu statue in Pudukkottai, and had said that his government will bear the expenses of vaccination and every citizen of Tamil Nadu will be provided with the vaccination when it is found. So, you know, at the point we have to remember that elections in the state are just 7 months away. In the month of May, we're going to see the state assembly elections, and these promises are being made by the state government.
No doubt. Akshaya, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Certainly, the centre seems like in a tight spot.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.